When was the transistor first invented for computers? Have you ever wondered how computers became so powerful and compact? The answer lies in a tiny device called the transistor. Let's take a closer look at its fascinating history. The transistor was first successfully demonstrated on December 23, 1947, at Bell Laboratories in Murray Hill, New Jersey. This invention was the brainchild of three brilliant minds: William Shockley, John Bardeen, and Walter Brattain. They created the transistor as a solid-state device to replace the bulky vacuum tubes that were used at the time. Vacuum tubes were larger, less reliable, and consumed more power, making them less suitable for modern electronics. The real magic of the transistor is its ability to amplify and switch electronic signals. This capability made it a fundamental building block for modern electronics, especially computers. The transition from vacuum tubes to transistors in computing began in the early 1950s. Shortly after the invention of the transistor, the first transistorized computer prototypes began to emerge. One notable example is the Manchester University transistor computer, which demonstrated a working prototype in 1953. However, it still relied on vacuum tubes for certain functions, like the clock signal. In 1954, the TRADIC computer was completed at Bell Labs. It is often cited as the first fully transistorized computer in the United States, although it too used some vacuum tube components for clock power. The first fully transistorized computer that did not use any vacuum tubes is generally considered to be the Harwell Cadet, which was completed in 1955. The invention of the transistor in 1947 set the stage for the development of transistorized computers starting in the early 1950s. This marked a key milestone in both the industrial and digital revolutions that transformed modern computing technology. Thanks to transistors, computers became smaller, faster, more reliable, and more energy efficient compared to their vacuum tube predecessors. This innovation enabled rapid advancements in computer technology throughout the latter half of the 20th century. So, the next time you use a computer, remember the tiny transistor that made it all possible. It truly changed the course of technology and our everyday lives.